What's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. Uh, Hope your day's going good. It's hot as hell outside. Let's get right into it here. Get into the market. We'll probably do a live stream later tonight. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys are doing your research. Um, Market is kind of mixed today. XRP holding above 77 cents. NIR's down. Uh, NIR's down almost 2.5%. Cardano down 1.5%. Glimmer's pumping 3.5%. XDC's having another pump today for almost 5%. Algo's up 1%. Bitcoin's still below 30,000, 29.8 right now. What else do we got? Filecoin up almost 2%. XLM's having a bit of a pullback, down 3.7%. What else do we have? Arbitrum's down almost 1.2%. Caspa's up 0.5%, still holding strong above 3 cents. Jasmy's up 1.5%, fighting resistance now at 204. Um, let's get into the news. We got this Algorand in Europe, in Barcelona. How many next June of next year? I'd like to know how many of you guys are going to go to that. How many would like to go to that? Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd definitely love to be there for that. Looks like it's going to be a good time. Extremely bullish on Algorand, as you guys know. Um, we got breaking from whale charts as the Indonesia government has launched a national Bitcoin and crypto asset exchange to protect crypto investors and record transactions. So they kick Binance out, and now they're launching their own exchange. Anybody surprised? Not really. Bitcoin maxis. This is kind of funny. In December of 2020, SEC sues Ripple. They say XRP is a security shitcoin. 2023 June, Coinbase is sued by SEC. Bitcoin maxis. Let's all work together. 2023 July, XRP deemed not a security. XRP is a security crap coin. 1 month of almost harmony in 10 plus years. Exactly. Hypocrites, right? When XRP gets attacked or gets anything positive, it's a crap coin, and then when Coinbase, something that holds something that if it went under would devastate Bitcoin's price. When that's all of a sudden they want to all work together, and then as soon as XRP wins the case, they're back to bashing XRP again. I thought you guys wanted to work together. Make up your minds, right? We're either in this together or we're not. FTX sues Bankman-Fried for more than 1 billion. So to me, this just looks like it's FTX because they want to relaunch FTX 2.0, and they're trying to get trust back in the community and stuff. Which, if you put your money on any new FTX exchange, I'm sorry, but you're just an idiot looking to lose your money. This to me says that they're just trying to distance themselves from SBF to make it look like they're separate from him and they're against him with us on our side, and it's all his fault and it's not the exchange's fault or anything like that. It's not going to work. No one's going to use FTX. You can try to distance yourself as much as you want. It's not going to work. XRP is broken below the trend line support as stated in previous tweets. A retest of the breakout at mid 50s, and I said that the other day to you guys. Like, I could see it coming all the way back down to between 55 and 58 cents to build support there, right? To test that support. I said that like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So it's entirely possible, right? Come back down, test support. As much as it sucks, it has to happen, right, guys? Like, we have to build these supports to keep going up. It's a staircase, right? It's not just a straight shot to the moon. So don't take it as a massive dump or a bad thing. If it does, take it as a DCA opportunity, in my opinion. Speaking of XRP price, what do we got here? Chartist XRP to witness a jaw-dropping rally to $6.57 in 7 days. Here are the charts. I don't think he means it's going to happen in 7 days from now. I think he means that the jump will happen in a 7-day period, if that makes sense. Um, So our trusted Egrad Crypto, he says XRP in 7 days, 777% increase. Mark your calendars, folks. In just 7 days, we will witness if the stars align and witness a jaw-dropping 777% increase in XRP. But remember, let's take this with a grain of salt while remaining open-minded of all possibilities. That's the tweet from eGrad, and then this article says the recent pump of XRP's price following the ruling in the Ripple case has since been followed by a struggle to maintain 75-cent threshold. I wouldn't say it's struggling to hold 75 cents. It's 77.5 cents right now, holding up there. In light of the situation, eGrad, a prominent chartist, has forecasted a significant rally for XRP. eGrad based this ambitious forecast on the analysis of XRP's price movement, celebrating historical data that suggests XRP has achieved a similar feat in the past by examining two comparisons. So he's basically comparing 2017 to 2023. And saying that that's what might happen in the course of a 7-day stretch. Although he cautioned that this pattern could be a false signal, eGrad drew insights from chart A, which confirmed that in March 2017, like I said, he's just comparing 17 to 2023. So basically, take that with a grain of salt, you guys. He thinks in 7 days we could go up 777% to what was it, $6.57. I absolutely hope that he's right, because wow, would I have a lot of money. I'm sure that you guys would too. So let's cross our fingers that he's right. Hope for the best, be prepared for the worst, right? What else do we got here? Ripple applies for crypto license in the UK and Ireland following XRP ruling. This is huge news, guys. In the wake of the significant legal victory versus the SEC, the renowned crypto payments giant has set its sights on securing coveted spot in the UK's crypto company register. The firm's European managing director, Sandy Young, revealed to DL News, I don't know what DL News is, but that they have recently submitted applications for crypto asset firm registration with the UK Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, along with the payment institution licensed in Ireland. Despite this major legal triumph, in its homestead, Ripple remains steadfast in its expansion plans for the UK and Europe markets. Young firmly stated that their growth strategies and plans remain unaltered and undeterred. The company interests to invest significantly in these regions, fostering exponential growth, said the executive. She also expressed enthusiasm for the ongoing momentum as the UK actively positions itself as a promising investment hub with the crypto space. So it's good that they're continuing to try to grow outside the United States, and they weren't just doing it because they didn't have clarity, outside because they didn't have clarity in the United States. It's good to see that they're not backing down from that strategy. Sorry, throat's a little dry. Step forward, Ripple's growth aspirations in the UK and Europe are further fortified by the country's increasing dedication to becoming a global crypto powerhouse. In recent news, the UK has made strides to differentiate crypto from gambling activities, rejecting calls to regulate it under such terms. We talked about that last night, if you guys recall. Moreover, the launch of the experimental digital sandbox offers new tech companies an opportunity to foster innovation in a controlled environment. So it's good, like I said, Ripple's continuing to grow outside the States, and now that they have the opportunity to grow inside the United States, it's only going to expand their company exponentially. I really should start looking into getting some of their stock, to be honest with you. I think you can get it on Uphold. I think. Uphold? I don't know. I'll look into it. It says, once upon a time, people used to speculate on when Cardano ADA was going to get listed on Coinbase. The listing for Caspa is inevitable. Keep an eye on Coinbase blogs to see what assets they are reviewing. And to be perfectly honest with you, I agree. I think we're gonna have Coinbase and Binance listing Caspa in short order, fairly quickly, like not too far off from each other. So the people that are holding it now, like myself and hopefully a lot of you guys, like I said, Caspa has not seen a bull run yet, guys. Hasn't had any of these catalysts fulfilled yet. It's got to get listed on these major exchanges. It's got to see a full bull run. It's very, very, very good layer one. So if you're not in it yet, it should be on your watch list, guys, in my opinion. Um, Eleanor Tourette. So just to clarify something that we talked about last night in terms of the bill that they're trying to pass, which I mean, I don't know if it's going to pass. I hope so. It's hard to tell these things because we're going into an election year in the States, so it's kind of hard to tell if Biden's going to just veto this and tick everybody, all the voters off, right? So anyway, we talked briefly last night about how they were saying that you could only invest 10% of your annual income into digital assets. To clarify that, it's actually 10% into initial offerings. So you can get into these companies early um, to 10% of your income for the initial offerings. That's what they're specifically referring to, not like, right now, if you wanted to go put more than 10% into XRP or whatever, then you'd be able to because it's not an initial offering, right? So just to clarify that, because it kind of ticked me off last night. I was sitting there like, why are they telling me how much money I could spend, how much of my own money I could spend on something? So yeah, documenting Ripple says breaking. National Bank of Australia joins forces with Ripple, harnessing XRP's power for faster, cheaper cross-border transactions and enhanced innovation. So another partnership for Ripple with the Bank of Australia. Big news there. They're just continuing to expand, you guys. It's absolutely insane. I don't know of any company that's done more to expand and develop in the bear market than Ripple has. Jasmy, it's very important to remember that there's only 2.76% left that's not in circulation already. Like, it's important to remember that with Jasmy. Remember, you can't get dumped on anymore. So, like, all the supply is out there in circulation already. That's massive, guys. Not a lot of projects can say that. Yes, it sucks if you bought in at like $4 and now it's down to this because you kind of got dumped on there. But it is an opportunity to lower your cost average significantly, right? So, I mean, you could look at it that way. Then we got Do Kwon's lawyers invoke XRP victory to dismiss SEC case on Terra collapse. I don't know how this really pertains, but let's have a look and see because it's kind of confusing to me how that has anything to do with his case. Do Kwon's lawyers have turned to the recent victory secured by Ripple against the SEC to bolster their bid to dismiss the regulatory watchdog's lawsuit against Terraform Labs and Do Kwon in a supplementary document filed on July 18th. The legal team highlighted the decision made by Judge Torres. In the case, the defendant's lawyer asserted that the SEC claims against the token UST, Luna, Wrap Luna, and MIR lack merit, drawing parallels to the Ripple ruling. According to the Ripple decision, certain sales of XRP did not meet the criteria to be classified as investment contracts under the Howey test. The document argues that the SEC does not allege that UST was sold to anyone. Instead, it was created through the Terra blockchain. Moreover, the sales of Luna and MIR on secondary markets would not classify as investment contracts. Well, I guess he's not wrong there. Terraform Labs institutional sales, another criteria aspect of the defendant's legal team, raises is the differentiation between institutional sales in the two cases. Recall that the judge ruled that Ripple's institutional sales of XRP constituted an investment contract. Per Kwon's lawyers, the Ripple institutional buyers explicitly stated their intent to resell XRP. The contractual arrangements support. Yeah, we already know that. We know about that case already. The SEC versus Terra Luna case. The latest move comes in the wake of the SEC's lawsuit against Terraform Labs and Do Kwon, where the SEC has alleged improprieties and misconduct that led to the collapse of the Terra ecosystem last May. The SEC filed the charges in February, 9 months after the Terra implosion. In the legal battle last month, a Montenegrin court sentenced Do Kwon and his associates to 4 months in prison for falsifying travel documents. South Korea authorities also seek Kwon's extradition to the country. Meanwhile, the SEC cases remain active in the U.S. Notably, this is not the first time defendants' legal team has cited external developments to their defense. In a previous filing, they presented evidence regarding Congress' ongoing debates over cryptocurrency regulation, suggesting that the SEC should wait for congressional action before pursuing it. Well, it's not wrong there either, right? This guy's so upside down, and he's in so much trouble in so many countries. I honestly, at the end of the day, I don't even see the point. Like, you're screwed 6 ways from Sunday, so if you bail yourself out of one of those ways, you're still screwed 5 ways from Sunday, but whatever. I guess you just try to win them one at a time. I don't know. What do we got here? And this is another reason, guys, that I want to start looking into moving somewhere like Switzerland, because apparently someone won the Powerball that was $1.28 billion, and the IRS gets to take 8.463 million. That's insane. Like, you win. I mean, yes, okay. I mean, we're splitting hairs here at the end of the day. You're still getting $433.7 million after tax. But you won 1.28 billion, and you're getting not even half of 1 billion. You're getting That's insane. It's insane that the government takes that much of your money. That's why I want to move to a tax-friendly country, because of stuff like this, right? So, anyway, guys, that's the news so far today. We'll be back with a live stream later tonight. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're 50 away from 500, so hit it. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Let's get to 500. We're almost there. Hit the like button, push this out to everybody, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking. I'll see you later.